Hi and welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. I am done with my crocheted, I think they call it wind spinner. And this is the best way I could show you. I hung it up on a clip on my drape. And you see, kind of got a little squished, but I'm done. I love it. This is like the second one I do. And see, you just move it around a little bit and it goes into shape. Only it's because it's against the drape. But I love it. And I also added at the bottom a dangle, of course. A beaded dangle. You can see these flowers. And at the end I just tied it. But I'm excited. It took me a while to finish it, but because I was taking breaks, but it's pretty cool. What is that? Piece of old paper. It was sitting on my desk. So I hope you like it. I did pink first, which is the middle of here. I'll do a close-up and I'll show you. The inside goes first, which it's a chain of 91, and you crochet on the second chain with a half double crochet in on the first one, and then the second one, and the rest is 2 in 1 stitch. And you do the same, almost the same on the second, but the second color is double crochet, and then the same stitch double crochet on the third. But the second one is kind of like a maroon, kind of, yeah, like maroon or burgundy. This is it looks brighter, and then this variety one was the last one. Let's see if I move it a little, it just goes out of shape, but still, it's so pretty. I love it. I am not making a tutorial only because there's so many out there, but I could link the one I followed. I hope it's still in my history, but I'll look for it. I sure did make a long dangle, but I don't know if my husband's gonna want me to put it outside or not. I told him I want it in the front door, and I told, well, at least it doesn't make a noise. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to share something crocheted since I haven't done that in a long while, and my hands are getting better at it. It's been tough to recuperate from my hands. So thank you so much for watching. And that was Lily. She loves it when people make noise. Bye.